Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best American flag is probably one of the most iconic symbols of patriotism and national pride, and having a high-quality one to display outside your home can be a powerful statement. Whether you're celebrating a national holiday, honoring veterans, or simply want to show your love for the country, a durable and beautifully crafted American flag with a sturdy pole is essential for a dignified and lasting display. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes a great outdoor American flag set, helping you choose the perfect one to fly high and proud. Number 5. Deneve Deluxe Solar Flagpole Light. Introducing the Deneve Deluxe Solar Flagpole Light, designed to keep your American flag beautifully lit. It offers over 12 hours of illumination, ensuring your flag is always visible. This light ensures compliance with the U.S. Flag Code, requiring flags flown at night to be well lit. It features enhanced battery capacity for extended performance. Installation is incredibly simple. Just charge it in the sun, switch it on, and replace your flagpole's top ornament with this light. It's a perfect gift for any patriot. Enjoy over 12 hours of continuous light thanks to its long-lasting battery. You can now fly your flag proudly around the clock without worry. With 26 bright LEDs and a larger diameter, this light provides 20% more coverage. It ensures your flag is prominently visible, even in low light conditions. Constructed with durability in mind, this light is built to endure harsh weather. Its sturdy design guarantees reliable performance for years to come. What we like. This solar flagpole light ensures your flag is always illuminated, complying with U.S. Flag Code. With over 12 hours of battery life, you won't need to take your flag down at night. If you want to keep your flag flying proudly 24/7 without the hassle, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The flag is made of durable material that withstands various weather conditions. The pole is sturdy and easy to assemble, providing a stable display for the flag. The flag's design is vibrant and patriotic, making it a great addition to any outdoor space. Number 4. Deneve Deluxe Solar Flagpole Light. Introducing the Deneve Deluxe Solar Flagpole Light, designed to keep your American flag beautifully lit. It offers over 12 hours of illumination, ensuring your flag is always visible. This light ensures compliance with the U.S. Flag Code, requiring flags flying at night to be well lit. It features a high-capacity battery for extended performance. Installation is incredibly simple. Just charge it in the sun, switch it on, and screw it onto your flagpole. It's a perfect gift for any patriot. With 26 LEDs and a larger diameter, it provides 20% more coverage. This ensures your flag is prominently visible, even in low light conditions. Constructed to withstand harsh weather, this light is durable and sturdy. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come, keeping your flag proudly displayed. Enjoy continuous illumination from dusk till dawn. Its powerful solar capabilities mean you can fly the flag proudly, day and night, without worry. What we like. This solar flagpole light is designed to keep your flag lit all night, adhering to U.S. Flag Code. Its extended battery life means continuous illumination, and its waterproof construction ensures durability. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting light that can withstand the elements, this is the ideal option. What people say. The flag is made of durable material that withstands various weather conditions, ensuring longevity and vibrant colors. The pole is sturdy and easy to assemble, providing a stable display for the flag. It comes with all the necessary hardware for mounting, making installation straightforward. Number 3. G128 American USA Flag 2x3 Feet ToughWeave Series. Introducing the G128 American USA Flag, a 2x3 foot addition to our ToughWeave series. This flag is designed for quick and easy display, allowing you to proudly showcase your patriotism. Crafted from vibrant and durable 210D embroidered polyester, this flag is built to last. It's perfect for both indoor decoration and outdoor display in moderate weather conditions. Each star is meticulously embroidered with the utmost care, ensuring a beautiful and detailed representation of the American flag. This attention to detail makes it a standout piece. Featuring 4 rows of lock stitching on the fly hem, it offers extra endurance against the elements. This construction ensures it holds up well in various weather conditions. The innovative pole sleeve design allows for immediate display without the need for grommets. Simply slide it onto your flagpole and enjoy its brilliance. This flag is a versatile choice, suitable for indoor settings or outdoor use in fair weather. It also makes a thoughtful and special gift for any occasion. Please note that this product does not include a flagpole or grommets. It is designed to be used with your existing flagpole setup. What we like. This flag features a convenient pole sleeve for quick and easy display, eliminating the need for grommets. Made from durable 210D embroidered polyester with lock stitching, it's built for longevity. If you prioritize ease of use and a beautifully crafted flag for moderate weather or indoor display, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The flag is made of durable material that withstands various weather conditions. The pole is sturdy and easy to assemble, providing a stable display for the flag. The design of the flag is vibrant and the colors are fade-resistant, maintaining its appearance over time. Number 2. HomeRite 6-Foot Flagpole Kit. Introducing the HomeRite 6-Foot Flagpole Kit, a complete set designed to meet all your flag display needs. It includes everything you need for a hassle-free setup. Our flags are crafted from 100% durable polyester, ensuring long-lasting use. Choose from various styles, including the American flag, thin blue line, or Don't Tread on Me, all designed with reinforced edges and brass grommets. The kit features a 6-foot stainless steel no-tangle spinning pole and a heavy-duty aluminum alloy bracket. This sturdy construction resists rust and allows for adjustable mounting angles, preventing your flag from getting tangled. Display your patriotic spirit proudly in any weather. This flag is built to withstand rain, wind, and sun, offering a long-lasting and vibrant display for your home or business. We stand by the quality of our products. Enjoy a 3-year quality assurance on all HomeRite flagpoles. Your satisfaction is our top priority, so feel free to reach out with any questions. What we like. This all-inclusive flagpole kit comes with everything you need, including a 6-foot spinning stainless steel pole and a sturdy bracket. The spinning pole design prevents tangling, ensuring your flag always flies freely. If you're looking for a hassle-free, complete solution for displaying your flag at home or for commercial use, this kit is perfect. What people say. The flag is made of durable material that withstands various weather conditions. The pole is sturdy and easy to assemble, with adjustable height options. The flag's colors are vibrant and have not faded after prolonged exposure to sunlight. Number 1. FFILY 25-Foot Heavy-Duty Aluminum Flagpole Kit. Introducing our 25-foot heavy-duty flagpole, crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum. Its superior rigidity ensures it stands tall and proud, even in high winds, protecting your flag. Constructed with extra thick walls and a robust base, this flagpole is built for premium durability. Its classic black finish and ability to fly 2 flags make it a stunning addition to any yard or commercial space. Setting up your new flagpole is a breeze with our included instructions. The 6-section design also makes it easy to store when not in use, saving you valuable space. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive kit. You'll receive the flagpole sections, ornaments, rope, clips, an American flag, and even gloves for a perfect installation. This flagpole is designed to be twice as strong as common poles, thanks to its precision heat-treated aluminum. You can fly your flag with confidence, knowing it's supported by exceptional quality. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns about your new flagpole, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. Constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum, this 25-foot flagpole is exceptionally strong and resistant to bending, even in high winds. Its design allows for flying 2 flags simultaneously. If you need a robust, tall flagpole for a prominent display in your yard or for commercial purposes, this heavy-duty option is built to last. What people say. The flag is made of durable material that withstands various weather conditions. The pole is sturdy and easy to assemble, providing a stable display for the flag. The design is classic and patriotic, making it a great addition to any outdoor space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.